So good morning students. So now we are going to perform the activity to show that leaf they contain starch in it. So we know that leaves they prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis, and they have got a green pigment in them called chlorophyll, okay, and they use carbon dioxide and prepare their own food, okay, and this food it is stored in various parts, okay. In leaf also some amount of food is always present, and so it is in the form of starch. So if the food is present, definitely we know that when we test it with the help of iodine, the color should change. It should be blue black, and if it is blue black, then definitely it contains starch in it. So first what we are going to do, we have taken a leaf here, you can see it is hibiscus leaf, and now Vaibhav Dada will add ethanol to it. So he is adding ethanol to the leaf, that is alcohol, specific alcohol name is ethanol here. And now we will keep that, you should add ethanol in such a way that all the leaf is immersed in ethanol, okay. Now we will put that in water bath. This is water bath, a beaker containing water. Now why we need water bath? Because alcohol is inflammable, okay, and so we cannot hit directly, it will catch fire. So what we do, we prepare the water bath and then we are going to heat it. So he has started now heating. We have kept it here in the water bath, okay. Now it will be heated for nearly 5 to 10 minutes, okay. So let us wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Let us see what happens. We will find that the leaf, the green color from the leaf will be totally removed. That is, the chlorophyll will be removed totally from the leaf, and it will become colorless, okay. So let us see, wait for 10 minutes. Okay, now you can see the change has started already. The green color will come out, okay, and that is chlorophyll will dissolve in this ethanol, okay, and leaf means it will be totally removed from the leaf. You can see how it is boiling, okay. Let it. So you can see green color chlorophyll has been dissolved in the ethanol. So we are now keeping it out. We are taking it out. We will cool it for some time, and we will take out the leaf from ethanol, and we will wash it out with water, so that whatever the solvent is there, ethanol, it will be totally washed off, and we will have decolorized leaf, okay. So we will wait for some time, let it get cooled. So now we have cooled it for nearly 3-4 minutes, and now we are going to remove the leaf from ethanol, and we are going to, you can see the color, okay, it has been decolorized, okay. Nearly all the color has been removed, okay. So you can see the alcohol. You can see the alcohol here, the color. So whatever the chlorophyll was there, it is dissolved completely in this ethanol. And now we are going to wash this decolorized leaf with water. Vaibhav Dada is washing it. So whatever the solvent present is there, it will be washed off completely. Yes, immersed it in it. Okay. Now we will take it in another dish. This dish is called Petri dish, right, Vaibhav Dada? Yes. Yes. And so we are taking it in this dish, and now we will add tincture iodine. You know what happens if starch is present. Okay, let us see. Wait, add some. Okay, okay. It takes some time for color change. We'll wait for some time. We'll see there is a slight color change, you can see. Okay, it's changing. We are waiting. We'll wait for some time. You can see a patch has been developed on the leaf. Now we will remove that leaf and we can see the change. Yes. You can see here, see the change. Okay. So this is bluish black color, and if this color is present, so leaf has turned bluish black, what it suggests? Yes, starch is present in the leaf. That means it is confirmed that leaves, they produce the food, and that food is in the form of starch, and we get it confirmed by this color change. It is blue black color. Okay, hence we can conclude that leaf, they contain food in the form of starch. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So today we are going to see the activity or experiment related to the transpiration of plants. That means plants, they give out water vapor, and so that's what we are going to see today. So first we are going to tie a plastic bag to one of the branch. So Vaibhav Dada here, he is tying one of the branch of rose plant with the help of a plastic bag, and we will keep it in sunlight. It's already in sunlight for nearly 2 to 3 hours, and you can see the bag is completely dry from inside. And so after 2 to 3 hours we are going to observe what happens. Okay, so let us tie this plastic bag and have patience, and we can see that after 2 to 3 hours what happens. Okay, this is a lengthy activity, and so I have not taken it live, and so I'm trying to show you this. Okay, so Vaibhav Dada has tied one of the branch of the rose plant with the help of a plastic bag. Okay, he has tied that using thread. We'll keep it in sunlight. Now it's already in sunlight, and we'll keep it for nearly 2 hours, and after that we'll see what happens. Yes, so we are nearly back after 2 to 2.5 hours, and you can see the bag, guys. There are fine water droplets from inner side of the bag. Okay, you can see water has been collected. Now how water has been collected? Actually water is given out from the leaves of the plants in the form of water vapor, and so no, actually we are not able to see it. That is called as transpiration. So what we did, we tied a plastic bag on one of the branch. Okay, and so what happened, this water vapor, when it came in contact with the plastic bag, it got cooled and formed water droplets, and so that is condensation. We have studied what is meant by condensation. You can see the water droplets. I'll ask Vaibhav Dada to remove that bag. He is now removing that bag, and we can just go inside the bag. We can peep inside the bag, and we can see the water droplets. Yes. Okay. You can see how the leaves also have become wet. Okay. So this is because the water has collected. I'm showing you inside of the bag. Okay. I'll just come here. Okay. You can see how water has got collected. This is at the bottom. Okay. And see here, even at the base of the plastic bag, you can see water getting collected. Okay, I'm just moving it so that you can see water. Okay, so this is water, and actually it is due to the transpiration process which was followed by leaf that got collected in the plastic bag. Thank you. So this is what our activity is. Okay. So I will, now we will go for the next activity. So let us stop here today. Thank you.